Hello, and welcome to my channel, Heat Treatment of Steel. My name is Bijoy Saha, and I have over 20 years of hands-on experience in the fascinating world of heat treatment. High-tech treatment service. Private Limited, Singapore, Indo, German. Vacu Treat Private Limited, India. During my career, I've had the privilege of conducting international training sessions across the USA, Canada, and Germany, helping professionals and enthusiasts deepen their understanding of this essential process. Here is my certificates. Pye Metallurgical Consulting, USA Vac, Aero International, Canada. Here on this channel, I simplify the complex. Step by step, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about heat treatment, whether it's understanding the basics, knowing who requires it, why it's necessary, or learning about processes, materials, metallurgy, and even some expert tips and tricks to make your journey smoother. I've also included self-assessment tests. Check the description for links so you can measure your progress and ensure you're on the right track. And trust me, by the time you've watched my videos, you'll have a thorough understanding of heat treatment like never before. If you find my content helpful, don't forget to support my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Together, let's bring this knowledge to the world.